pretty stormy tonight. We got someone dying of laughter in the next room watching Family Feud. So that's new and exciting. Who doesn't love Family Feud? So, Blind Bag Friday. I'm gonna do cards. I got a Series 16 here. Don't know who that's gonna be. We got a Harry Potter and 2 Lego movies. Pretty good amount. I thought I had more Unikitties, but I do not. So that's I'm just gonna say I did get a chocolate cake puppy corn eventually. I didn't open it on camera, so I just assumed that I would open one eventually, but I was wrong. So what do you do, right? You miss those precious moments on camera, and you're out of luck forever. Wow, it's a cassette. It's a clear cased cassette. Oh, that was a good bump of the camera. Can unfocus? I don't know how to get it to unfocus now. Whatever, that's where we're focusing. Cool. We got a winky face. Cool, focused again. And we have this face, which is, I don't know, just happy, kind of blushing, pop star makeup. Let's just go ahead and assemble this one. We only get one. I was going to say, do we only get one mic? We got two. We got 2 mics. Printed pattern on the tutu. Bumping. Not loving that. Gonna have to work on this setup. And the hair has, there's some kind of printing in the hair. Wow, what a great figurine. For all you keeping score out there, that is a taped packet. Neat. The next one, tiny scissors, will open up the second Lego movie. Very cool. So again, a taped packet. We're getting the watermelon slice boy. We've got the regular cool guy kind of grin going on there. And then on the opposite side, we've got the did I do that? Cool guy face. Let's go with that one as the front face. Throw on this slice of melon. He's ready to chill or something. We do also have watermelon slices. We got 2 of those bad boys. Very nice to get an extra piece of that because you can never have too much food for your Lego man. That's what I always say. Never can have too much food for your Lego men. Let's go with Create the World. Sansbury Series 2 or Incredible Inventions. I don't know, whatever. No prices this week because I'm feeling super not like putting prices on the screen. First one up is Ocean Explorer. We definitely have that one. It's holographic. I don't think there's as many of those as there are other cards. Task the Ship has everything you need to explore. Next up is a Swimming Champion. Swimming Champion. A day without water is a wasted day for her. Fair enough. No breaks on her schedule. She dreams of swimming and even counts fish when she can't nod off. That's very bad British humor. Let's go with, look at this guy. This is Sam. So that's number 2. We've got the main mascot for the thing. Sam loves looking back at incredible inventors and explorers of the past. They were seriously clever people. And the last card is Sailor. I feel like we definitely have Sailor. He's 127, so there's at least 127 cards. Wow. Chances of collecting those are pretty slim. Next up, let's do the Series 16. This one's been sitting here a while. Just filling up space in the old blind bag. Got a pretty good one here. I'm gonna take a peek at the list Reno. It's telling you to go online. We got that Ice Queen, the Arabian Knight, Cyborg. What a good series that was. Everyone enjoyed it. So the figurine that I have here is the Spy Boy. It's kind of a Mission Impossible-esque spy, in my opinion. I think a lot of people agree with that. The backpack is a parachute backpack from a different series. Cool. The head, we have no back printing on the face, but we do have the very serious front. It's got this good hair. Lots of people like that hair because it has the attachment point for standard visors. And we get a very exciting, cool visor that can look up and down people. We also get a fire nozzle and a little bit of rope. Rope is a good one. That's probably my favorite part of this figurine. Just a little bit of rope. So last up we've got a Harry Potter and Fantastic Beasts. No, all my avid followers are going to wonder what the code is today. It's like. And that's also thumbs up in case you're playing at home. Go ahead and enter that in while I go ahead and assemble this guy. Well, that's neat. It's old Tri-Wiz Ard. So this is Ard, the Tri-Wiz. Very cool. Holds his big cup because he likes to get crunk on the weekends. And he's got some pencils to make himself some mental notes of what's happening in the world. I have that one already. Very positive I have that one already. And I obviously have the Spy. So I guess it's not that obvious. But I have him. So we're going to end it there. Automatic video over on this side. There's a subscribe thing over here. And in the middle, Ard is a video that I handpicked for you. You're welcome.